In this video we are seeing all specs and information of Honor V50 smartphone. But first let's watch this intro. Let's start the video. Honor V50 smartphone runs on Android V11 operating system. The phone is powered by octa-core processor. It runs on the MediaTek MT6889Z Dimensity 1000 Plus chipset. It has 8GB RAM and 128GB internal storage. Honor V50 smartphone has a AMOLED display. Display is AMOLED with 6.72 inches and weight is 189 grams. Is support to on-screen fingerprint sensor. Mobile supports dual nano SIM. The screen has a resolution of 1236 by 2676 pixels and 439 pixel per inch pixel density. It has an aspect ratio of 19.5 to 9. On camera front, the buys get a 50MP, 8MP, 2MP camera, and on the rear, there's an 50MP plus 8MP plus 2MP camera with features like digital zoom, auto flash, face detection, touch to focus. It is backed by a 4500 mAh battery. Connectivity features in the smartphone include Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, VoLTE, and more. Honor V50 smartphone price in India is likely to be 51,163 rupees. Honor V50 is speculated to be launched in the country on December 31, 2021. The smartphone is likely to come in one other storage and RAM variants, Honor V50 256GB 12GB RAM. As for the color options, the Honor V50 smartphone may come in midnight black, rose gold, titanium silver colors. You will get 1-year manufacturing warranty by the company. For latest updates about tech in Hindi and English, subscribe the channel Unique Tech and never miss any update from Unique Tech. Don't forget to click the bell icon because when I upload a new video, you will get a notification. Peace. Meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.
Remember to like, comment and subscribe.